Just wish to sneeze. What's he staring at?
Does he have hay fever?
What's he staring at?
Yeah, it's because of the wind. If it blows on his nose, it makes him sneeze. He has to have a wet nose to not sneeze.
Keep looking at the camera.
What was that? Hey Maria. Sneeze, man.
He sneezed on my leg. Pick him up.
Don't touch him, eh?
Recording, Maria.
Hello.
Don't make him go.
Put him up to your face.
I knew that was gonna happen. Happened to me in the kitchen earlier.
Don't hold him like that.
Wait, put him up to your face again. she's
Angela, pick him up.
stuff him in the flowers.
Angela, hold him.
No.
Fine.
See, because then you start sneezing. Look.
Put him on the table.
Oh wow, wow. Poor cat.
He ate a bird earlier.
Oi, where are you going?
The bird that he ate. Nasty cat. He's eating it as well. He ate the whole thing. Disgusting thing.
Just leave him.
Sneeze.
Sneeze, you fat shit. Look how fat he is. Look how fat that is, look.
Sneeze.
Put him on the table.
Sneeze, you bitch. Put him on the table, you idiot. Looks like he's at the vet when they do that to him. Torture.
The way he's not even sneezing now.
Torture.
When I stopped sneezing earlier. Sneeze on my face.
He's probably thinking this is abuse.
Look at this shit.
Oh my god,
Look at this shit.
How much hair comes out of him? Whoa.
No!
He's all wet.
I wonder why.
Do you hold him here?
Stop.
Stop!
Sneeze, Jerry, sneeze.
You got hard nails.
I don't.
Oh my god, look all that hair.
Look at that face. How come he's not sneezing now? Come on, sneeze! Sneeze! Hold the camera.
Wait.
Hold the camera. Bye!